This is Engine Joe, my 1959 Ford F100 fridge. Old trucks have a big clang sound when you close the doors, but as I understand, you can put some sound deadener in there, not much in fact, and get it to sound more like a luxury car door closing. So I'm going to give that a shot and apply some duct insulation. Self-adhesive, 12 inches wide. I'm going to apply a 12 inch by 12 inch piece. The sound before. Oh yeah. I'm also going to apply a piece on the access panel. Okay, panel reinstalled. Let's give it a listen. Clunk. No, nice. Okay, that sounds really good. That's a big improvement.